Welcome to Global Library Subject Guides portal. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to install Zotero and Zotero connector in your computer. Open any browser and type zotero.org in the address bar. Click Download. Zotero is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Select Zotero 6 download option. Once the download is complete, go to the download folder of your computer and select the Zotero setup file for installation. Select Next to continue. Choose the type of setup you prefer and select Next. Click Install to continue. Select Finish to complete the installation. The installation is complete. Now, you can use Zotero for your research. To install the Zotero connector, go back to the Zotero download page and select Zotero connector install option. Zotero connector is available for all web browsers. Since we are using Google Chrome, we will be installing the connector for Chrome. Select Add to Chrome. Zotero connector has been installed. Go to the Extensions option and pin Zotero connector to the address bar. With this, the installation process of Zotero and Zotero connector is completed.